Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all members and also to our lecturer, which is Dr. Zulkarnain. So for today, we would like to present to you about our case study topic, which is heavy construction equipment. So before we start, this is our presenter for today, which is Masara Zulfa, Amir Fikri, Raja Imran, and me, Muhammad Syahrudin.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Maisara Zulfa binti Muhammad Zuhairi. So I will present about introduction to heavy construction equipment. So heavy machines are very important in construction. They help to work faster, safer and with less effort. Examples are bulldozer, cranes, excavator, compactors and dump trucks. These machines save time, reduce hard manual work and make fewer mistakes. Many now use GPS and safety systems to work better. They still need trained operators, good maintenance, and must follow safety and environment rules. Heavy equipment is a key part of construction and keeps improving with new technology. So that's all for me for introduction.
So our objective from our study is to explore the technical specification, capabilities and maintenance requirement of the machineries. The next one is to examine the machinery's impact on project efficiency, safety and cost effectiveness. The last one is to identify sustainability consideration and innovation related to that machineries.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amir Fikri. I'm going to talk about background of this study. This case study was conducted at Sekolah Menengah Al-Madrasah Al-Alawiyah Ad-Diniyah Arau, Perlis, under the coordination of Jabatan Kerja Raya Negeri Perlis. During our visit, hydraulic piling work was in progress for the construction of an open hall. The study focused on the use of hydraulic piling rig in foundation work. This rig offer better control, less noise and faster performance compared to traditional methods. They are commonly used to drive precast concrete piles accurately into the ground. The site team shares some challenges including soil resistance and the need to maintain vertical alignment during piling. Okay, next is introduction to hydraulic piling rig. Hydraulic piling rig are used to drive piles into the ground for building foundation, bridge, and other major structures. Unlike traditional diesel or mechanical rig, they use hydraulic power, which follow better control, speed and accuracy. Modern rigs are equipped with features like GPS tracking, deep control, and can perform different methods like press-in piling, CFA piling, and drill piling. They are much quieter and cause less vibration, making them suitable for use in urban areas or near sensitive structures like hospital and school. Due to their efficiency, safety and lower environmental impact, hydraulic piling rigs have become essential in modern foundation work, especially for large-scale projects. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Raja Imran Hakim. My matrix number is 2022-7224. Okay, now I will tell you about equipment's role and function in the project. First, the main role of the equipment roles and function in the project is used during foundation phase to drive piles deep into the ground. Second one is provide strong and stable base to support structural loads. And the last one is suitable for deep foundation and varying soil conditions. Okay, the second one for the function. Firstly, is use hydraulic pressure instead of diesel hammer. Then applies consistent force, reduce pile damage during installation, and achieve high accuracy with GPS and automated alignment systems. And the last one is minimize vibration and noise. Okay, next we go to the benefits. The benefits that we can have is enhance safety with remote or cabin, reduce manual labor and human risk on site, capable of multiple piling methods, improve speed, accuracy and efficiency of piling work. And the last one is complies with modern HSE, Health Safety Environment Standards. Next, we go to equipment specification. We have a technical specification such as main span length up to 18 meters, driving force up to 2,800 kN, stroke length 1.9 meters, and weight around 90 tons, and dimension 12.5 meter multiple with 6 to 0.2 meter and 3.5 meter. Next is performance and operation. We have travel speed 8 to 12 meters per hour. Noise level is lower than 18 dB. It means low noise, ideal for urban sites. Next, we have advanced features. We have real-time depth and pressure monitoring, remote or cabin control with safety system, and last one is supports multiple pile types such as concrete, steel H pile, and span pile. Okay, thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Maisara Zulfa binti Muhammad Zuhairi. So today I would like to present about maintenance requirement for this topic. First of all, hydraulic system maintenance. So we need to ensure, inspect and replace hydraulic oil regularly to avoid overheating and pressure loss. Second, check cylinders, seals and hoses for leaks, wear, corrosion and smooth function. And replace hydraulic filters to keep fluid clean and protect internal parts. Second, mechanical and structural components. Also, we need to do daily inspection of Kelly bars, rotating head and mass for cracks or deformation. Check and tighten bolts or fastener to maintain structural stability. Lubricate moving parts like joints and bearings to reduce wear and friction. Third, control and electrical systems. Need to ensure calibrate sensors and control panels for accurate pile alignment and depth. Inspect batteries and wiring. Check for loose connection or damage. Test emergency stop and limit switches daily for safety. Check alarms and safety guards to ensure alerts and covers are working. Fourth, maintain a logbook. Record all inspections, repairs and servicing. Fifth, operator training. Ensure proper machine use and early problem detection. Last but not least, certified servicing. Full checks by technicians every 500 to 1,000 hours. Thank you. So next, I will present about impact of hydraulic piling rig on the project. So first of all, there are faster installation. Install piles much quicker, shortens foundation work time and keeps the project on schedule. Second, height precision. We use GPS and automation so work is very accurate with fewer mistakes and safer structure. Third, work in any soil. It can handle soft soil to hard rock using CFA or press-in methods, avoiding delays from background conditions. Fourth, safer and quieter. They produce less noise and vibration, safer for workers and nearby buildings, and no need to close to heavy equipment. Fifth, cost saving. Uses less fuel, needs less maintenance, and lowers the risk of damaging nearby roads or buildings, saving on repair or legal costs. So that's all from me. Thank you.
As the construction industry shifts toward environmental responsibility and technological innovation, hydraulic piling will have evolved to meet these goals, delivering not only better performance but also greener operation. One of the major advantages is noise and vibration reduction. Unlike traditional diesel or top hammer piles drivers, hydraulic rigs operate more quietly and smoothly. This makes them ideal for sensitive environments like school, hospital, or heritage sites. Next, we have lower emission and fuel consumption. Many modern rigs use engines that comply with strict emission standards like Tier 4 or Euro Stage 5, and some are even hybrid or fully electric. These upgrades drastically reduce pollution such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, supporting cleaner air and greener construction. In terms of energy efficiency, hydraulic systems use advanced technologies like variable displacement pumps and energy recovery features. These help fuel usage and energy waste during operation. Hydraulic rigs also ensure minimal soil and ground disturbance. Thanks to precise control systems and accurate vertical alignments, they reduce unnecessary corrections, preserving and surrounding ground ecosystem. Lastly, their components are often modular and reusable. With proper maintenance, these machines can serve across multiple projects, extending their life cycle and reducing overall maintenance risk. Let's explore some key innovations in hydraulic piling rigs that are transforming how we approach foundation construction. First, many rigs now feature digital monitoring system and automations. Tools like GPS integrations, touch sensor, and real-time depth, alignment, and driving energy. This not only improves accuracy but also reduces human error and enhance quality control and environmental documentation. Next is the advancement in remote and semi-autonomous functions. These rigs can be operated remotely or with minimal human inputs, increasing safety and efficiency, especially in confined or hazardous environments. To meet carbon reduction goals, manufacturers are introducing electric and hybrid drive systems. These models significantly reduce emission and operating noise, making them ideal for environmentally sensitive or urban areas. We also seeing the emergence of smart spy driving algorithm powered by AI. This system analyze soil resistance in real time and automatically adjust driving force and frequency. This optimize energy use, improve performance, and extend equipment lifespan. Other breakthrough is malfunctionality and modular attachment. With quick swap system, one rig can switch between hammer driving, auger drilling, or CFA piling, reducing the need for additional machines on site. Finally, improved ergonomic and safety are a priority. Operator cabins now offer better visibility, air filtration, and noise insulation, while standard features like emergency stop system, load indicator, and motion limiter enhance on-site safety. In short, these innovations are not just enhancing performance; they are driving the future of smarter, and more sustainable construction. So, in conclusion, this report highlights the essential role of the hydraulic piling rigs in today's construction industry, especially for deep foundation projects. As seen as the case study of a school project in Perlis, hydraulic rigs offer major advantages over traditional methods, including greater precision, reducing noise and vibration, and enhanced safety across different soil conditions. Equipped with modern technologies like GPS alignment, computer depth control, and remote operation, these rigs significantly improve project efficiency, cost effectiveness, and on-site safety. Of course, regular maintenance of the hydraulic, mechanical, and electrical system is the key to ensure optimal performance. Beyond technical benefits, this report also emphasized the importance of sustainability and innovations. Hydraulic piling rigs support greener construction through lower emissions, reduced soil disturbance, and the adoption of hybrid or electric systems. With innovations like AI-based pile driving optimization and modular attachment, they meet the growing demand of faster, safer, and more eco-conscious infrastructure development. Ultimately, the hydraulic piling rig stands as a crucial tool for delivering high-quality, sustainability construction projects in today's evolving built environment. So that is all for our presentation for today.